In this video, I will show you how to change your Netflix password. So if you want to do this on your phone, then you will need to open up a browser. If you're doing this on your PC, you can just do it in the PC app or on the website. But for now, I'll just open up a browser. Then what you want to go and do is head over to netflix.com/login. That will take you right here. You're just going to sign in using your email address or mobile number and your password. Now, by the way, if you forgot your password, then right here you can simply click on forgot password under the use a sign-in code, and then you will get an email where you can also change it. But if you do know it, then you can simply go and sign into your account. Then from here, click on the three lines in the top left, then click on account. Now for me right now it's in Dutch, but what you can do is click on security in the top, it's the third option. Now here you will see passwords. If you click on that, it's the top option. You can in here enter your current password and enter your new password twice, and then click on save in the bottom, and then your Netflix password has been changed. So in order to do this, you will need to have access to your current password. And again, if you don't have access to that, then just click on forgot password on the login page, and then you can do it through your email. So now you know how to change your Netflix password. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.